How to import products from Indiamart to Shopify. I'm going to tell you how to import products from Indiamart to Shopify. There's no direct sync between Indiamart and Shopify, but the workaround is simple. Export, format, import. First, you'll need to export your product data from Indiamart, usually as a CSV file. This file should include everything: product names, description, prices, images, SKUs. But here's the catch: Indiamart's CSV format won't match Shopify's out of the box. So next, you open up the CSV and start reshaping it to match Shopify's format. Shopify has a downloadable sample CSV you can use as your blueprint. Columns like title, body, vendor, price, and image source all need to be correctly named and filled. You can do this in Google Sheets or Excel. Once the file looks right, head to your Shopify admin, go to Products, and upload your CSV. Shopify will scan your data, and if all goes well, you'll see a preview before the products go live. You can fix issues right there if something's off. If you'd rather skip the manual formatting, there are apps and services that streamline this. Some allow you to connect your Indiamart data and import directly into Shopify with automatic field mapping and image support. Look into tools like Product Upload or CED Commerce Indiamart integration. They cut the work in half. Bottom line, you can't one-click import from Indiamart to Shopify, but with the right CSV or a trusted app, it's a smooth process.